Hi and welcome. Today we have a very interesting topic. We have World Environmental Day coming up on 5th of June 2020. The title कोई मुझे like नहीं करता, कोई मुझे subscribe नहीं करता. It's not just meant for the video, it is meant for the message behind the video, which is a satire. कोई मुझे protect नहीं करता. There is quite a lot to understand what is lying in between the lines. As mentioned, that World Environmental Day is on 5th of June 2020, and the topic and the theme is to celebrate biodiversity. This year, the theme of World Environmental Day is to celebrate biodiversity, where 1 million species are facing extinction, and there has never been a more important time to focus on biodiversity. Numerous species have earned a bad reputation, and thus they are overlooked by mankind. We are going to look at one such species in the form of a reading comprehension. Valuable vultures. Vultures are looked down upon mankind as scavengers, animals that does not work hard, but they look for the dead remains. But there's a lot of value. They're beneficial to our environment, and they are the ones actually protecting the environment. Let us read through. The students may pause the video and read. Kindly make a note of important words. Take it down. Make a note of key information. Look at what is mentioned about the old world and the new world vultures. That was all about the passage, and let's see about the writer. And now let us move on to the reading comprehension. Students may pause the video, read carefully, go back to the passage and try looking for the answer. In this question, OW stands for the old world and NW stands for the new world vultures. Students may pause the video, go back to the reading passage, look for the information. After the MCQ question, there's an open-ended question. The students may read the passage and respond in their own words. And now let us move on to the vocabulary builder. Unscramble the word. Hints are given to you. The words are multisyllable words. Students may use their dictionary or a thesaurus. Now let's look at the answer key. For the first MCQ, the highlighted answer is in red. OW, Old World and the New World. The Old World, OW is mentioned just before the sentence. NW is mentioned just before the sentence. Kindly self-correct your responses. The answer is in red, it is highlighted, and the open-ended sentence, it is written for you. And let's move on to the vocabulary builder. Unscramble the letters, the word: scavengers, vegetarian, endangered, biologists, variety, consume, bacteria, flapping, prevent, and grassland. And now let us move on to the next section. Our next task is a writing task. Respecting the valuable vultures. With regard to that, we need to refer and find out or Google search about other animals which are helpful to the environment. Think of an animal that has a bad reputation. That means people do not like it. But it is a very helpful animal protecting the environment. Try thinking of another animal other than vulture. Let me take you through a few examples. The students may read about the unsung heroes, the bees. Pause the video and read carefully. It's a pre-writing task where you can pick information and collect and organize your information. Beavers, llamas, rats, squirrel, narwhals or the narwhals. It's a sword kind of looking like whales. Elephants, birds, octopus or octopi, and dogs. Now let us look at the rubrics for self-evaluation. For article writing, the students may look at the following category: title and name, supporting details and opinion, what, why, when, why, who and how, the lead sentence, spelling and grammar. For writing the best or producing the best writing, after organizing your thoughts in pre-writing, drafting, reviewing, editing and reaching the publishing stage, the students may look at the following areas. That means the article has a headline, supporting details are there, and the opinion is well established with I think, I feel and I like. The article has what, why, when, where, who and how is mentioned, and it has a lead sentence. That means this sentence has a declarative sentence. The paragraphs have a declarative sentence, and at the end of the paragraph there is a summative sentence. The spelling and grammars are correct. The students may self-evaluate and mark their article. Thank you.